Good morning, good morning. We are all fueled up from the old QNT. And now we are heading up to Virginia to see Uncle Jason. I got some extra passengers with me today. That's why you might hear Paw Patrol in the background. And there is Grandma. All right, we're going to see Uncle Jason and Gravedigger. Oh yeah, we've been talking about Gravedigger for probably about 2 months now. Let's go. If you ever drive between Greenville and Charlotte, this highway is almost done for this stretch. It's going to be nice. 4 lanes on each side. Been working on it forever, but they're getting closer and closer. Highway 85. Up to Virginia to see Uncle Jason. Yeah, there was a long stretch of it back there that was already open, and as you can see here, they're getting close too. Should be nice. Been under construction for forever. All right, 60 miles to Charlotte. Let's keep going. Charlotte Waits is open. Let's see what's going on. Forget what the mile per hour weight is. Let's see. Maintain 30. Okay, just like Georgia. Maintain 30. Yeah, they're just letting everyone go green today. Well, they did pulling that dump truck over there. Yeah, he's going through the scales right there. Mom is intrigued by the scales.
They're hiding drugs amongst their pumpkins.
Pumpkins, huh? They have pumpkins in the back of the
tires.
Tires, huh? They're probably getting some crap. Yep, let's get them. We're getting into Charlotte now. Halfway points. We're at the Pilots, and we've got some company. We're going up to see Uncle Jason, and we're gonna stop and get some chicken nuggets and go pee. Why do you want to go over there? You want to see the toys? What do you want to do, Cash? What are you going to show me? What's over there? All the toys are over there. So this poor guy right here decided to come straight from the fuel island and try to make it between my truck and Bar None next door to us. And so I honked my horn and backed up before he put his trailer into Bar None's front of his truck. Come on, buddy. What are you
still
doing?
Pulling over.
Oh, goodness, man.
He's going backwards now. No, he's not.
Wow. I didn't back up. That guy was not getting out of there.
I don't know what the heck he's doing.
I still don't know what he's doing.
He's looking backwards, but he's pulling forward.
All right, buddy. We're just going to back all the way up over here into the back spaces. What were you doing? Driving can be fun again. You're welcome, man. No problem. But
So where are you going?
Please don't ever try that again. This place is wide open too, but he came straight across from fueling and tried to fit in between myself and that guy with a really bad angle on his trailer. I don't know what he was trying to do.
He was like not going anywhere.
But, we're gonna just disembark here and let this guy figure out what the heck he's doing. All right, later on, man. Good luck with that.
Yeah.
Watch out for guys like that when you're out here, and you'll probably still have your mirrors in front of your head left. So always watch out for guys like that. You never just keep on your toes, because you never know. What do you want to watch, guys? Did you find something? Yeah. All right, cool. Your hands are sticky. I clean them up. And I don't know what's been going on today, but I've had, what did you say, 8 or 9 calls from TQL and 2 calls from Coyote. So I don't know if volume just decided to jump up today, but we are going to Uncle Jason's. We're about 190 miles out, but yeah, and I even told him, I was like, hey, I'm going to visit my brother. I'll be available tomorrow. And they're like, well, it's only 20 miles from me. Do you want to put on your truck? And I'm like, no, it's more time away from my family. So they were trying to sell. So I mean, something's happening there. Maybe where I'm going, there's just not a lot of trucks. So put that in your mind and know that know your worth for the next day. I'm gonna try to book something, but I don't even think I'm gonna book something tomorrow. I'm just gonna get all them home. I gotta look for something around the house. So let's keep going. Let's go see Uncle Jason. Well, that is a toy hauler right there. Has a nice Western star for the front end. Dual stacks. North 85 north, about 40 miles south of the border of Virginia, and nice red line. Red line on the GPS. That thing is clean. Makes me wonder what's in this white trailer here. What do we get? Yeah, we're gonna be just a little bit tardy to Uncle Jason, but we still should get there before his boys get out of school. Gotta play and have some fun. Yeah, not a bad Western Star. Yes. So what are we thinking? Construction or user error? Let's see.
We're merging.
We're merging or they're merging?
They're merging into us. There's cones ahead. So it ends just ahead.
Thanks for the commentary. I'm talking to the people of YouTube right now.
Oh, that's right.
Do you want to talk to them?
From my view,
From your view,
down the
I see
center
a school
lane,
bus.
I can see orange cones blocking off the right side. It looks like maybe an accident, but right in front of it, it's open again.
All right. Come on, little Camry. Get on in there. You got it. Keep going. Come on now. Come on now.
Oh, there's a fire truck
Uh-oh.
and people in a car.
Uh-oh. Comes Mr. Audi flying in, too. Let's go, Audi. Go ahead, University of Houston. UH. Oh, yeah, they just put a fire out.
Oh, maybe that's what that smoke was.
Yeah, we did see smoke.
Yeah.
Oh, Casey, look, he's using a fire hose. Yeah. Oh, what do we have here? Chrysler product? Yikes. Chrysler product. Sebring is down. Sebring down. Pray T's and P's for everybody out there. Looks like, I don't think they crashed. I think they might have had a squirrel nest in the hood. Who knows? A little bit too much close to the exhaust there. T's and P's. Thoughts and prayers? Let's get to Uncle Jason. You think they crashed into a Jeep? I didn't see a Jeep, but that's a possibility. I love you. Been seeing a lot of hurricane damage. Saw a house that was collapsing. We saw another one, and we just saw the roof off of that hotel right there on the right. And I guess it must have came through here. Ripped some roofs off. And look at that one. That one's pushed down too. Wow. Wonder when that was.
There's a tree snap. A couple trees. A bunch of trees.
I didn't realize it was that whole
Oh my
time.
gosh, there's something, a metal frame mangled in the trees over there.
Look at that pool's gone. Some people got hit, some people were just blessed enough to be passed over. I didn't know that though. Gotta ask Jason when that happened. Uncle Jason. Almost there. Make sure you check your bridge heights. 13.9 it said back there. Oof. 3 inches to spare. There we go. We're about 2 miles away. Yay! Yay from the back, Casey. Okay. Let me tell you guys about downtown Suffolk. It is no trucks haven around here. Everywhere you turn, no trucks. No trucks. So it says no through trucks on this road, but we're delivering in this town, so we're not a through truck. Remember that. If it says no through trucks, it just means that they don't want you using it to get through the city. They don't want you to go around. But if you're delivering here, then you can. So that's downtown Suffolk. Pretty little place. Not great for trucks. All right, so hallelujah. One sign that finally says Take Madison. Oh my goodness. And I I'm cutting. It's super close to that pole back there. Yeah, this, if you ever come to Suffolk for craft foods, be ready for some no truck signs everywhere. Oh my goodness, we finally made it to Madison Avenue is the way you want to come in if you ever take this lane. And this is craft food right in front of us. So now let's see where we go from here. Stop sign with a limited amount. You want to set your trailer up which way? On the left or right? I think I want to go left. There's a bunch of your stuff over there. Got one chance at this truck route. No, so I think I'll go that way because if the truck route sign's right there. Let's edge out and see if we see any trucks in there. I don't know if I can make that turn over there. Yeah, we're going this way. See, that's really not a place for 53-foot trailers. So you see this yellow sign on this phone pole right here that says watch for pedestrians. That one sign that looked like that on the other street that said truck drivers use Madison to go to craft. No trucks that way. Okay, there we go. Truck entrance. We made the right choice. Take a right turn. Woo. Where are we now, Case? We're here, Case. It was a, fun time finding it, but we almost. Hey, look at that, follow that. Take that turn. Oh man, that was bad. Woo. Truck entrance. Right. There you go. If you ever come to, I don't know if I'm saying that right, Suffolk? Suffolk. Planters. So I guess Kraft owns Planters. I didn't know that, but it says Kraft on the DOL. Here we are. Hard seals, not gonna do it.
So she just make sure it's there.
Yeah, make sure the numbers match. That's what my mom was asking what the seal is for, and it's a braided wire seal, so you have to really have some cutters to cut it off. So we shall get in here. She said there's a blue door for check-in. Should we receive it? There it is. That's what it is. All right. We'll stay off to the right so we can back into a door and get these peanuts off. Man. Been quite the load. If you guys watched my video yesterday, we were almost done with this thing. Finally. Let's see how long it's gonna take them.
See that blue roof?
Yeah.
It's in between the blue roof and that building.
That's what the office is?
Yeah.
Cool, man. There's no, yeah, that's what I'm saying. I'm trying to get here hard enough. Driving this truck on these roads?
Every single driver has the same question. Ask someone, someone was talking.
Why stand in that office for 5 minutes don't even talk to me? He said there was everything like this. I'm not smart.
But it is everybody. Yeah. That's where I park. I come here every week.
I'm gonna put a magnet on your truck that says this is not the secret.
Yeah.
Thanks, man. Take care. That's that Landstar trailer.
Either one of them.
Either one of them? Okay.
Good to deal with.
Okay. I got one too. Actually, I got, how long is it going to take? Can I give anybody $20? Because I got my kids in the car. My brother lives here, and I took this load just to visit him. I'll give someone $20 for this as quick as they can.
All right, go on in there. I'll take care of it.
Thanks so much, man. I'll bring you the So by the looks of some of the other trucks in here, you might be here a while. So I went back to some of my old tactics. But I want to see my brother, you know? So see how quick we get it done with a little bit extra something in their pocket. God bless, and let's pray this goes well. All right, so we just got into this door. Hey!
Hey!
Everything about this load, even this, so you look at where I'm at right now. Say hi, Mom.
Hey.
You come in from this angle, then you turn around, and the only way to get into where I'm at right now is the blind side. So everything about this load has been crazy, but we tried some tactics. We'll see if they work, and we are. We're already red light, so I think tactics are working. Hopefully this comes off the trailer and get over to brother Jason, have some time, have some fun with. Oh yeah, we're moving. Yes, he's already unloading. You use those tactics when you can. If you got stuff to do, another load, whatever. Because I guarantee we'll be out of here before our friend over here, which is not saying anything's different, but he might have more time than we do. We're trying to see some family. And look who's up here. God bless. Click the link in the description. Click this little arrow thing down here. It'll bring down a description, and that'll be the giveaway for this month. It's a dash cam 500 from Ram McNally, and then we have $100 cash. And maybe we'll give you some of these cool candies. Show us your candies, the little things you guys got. Whoa, laser candies. But to enter the giveaway, just go hit that link, click like and share, subscribe. If you're already subscribed, please share it to somebody else and see if they subscribe. We're gonna go see Uncle Jason, get some time with him, and life is good. We'll see you guys tomorrow. You want your iPad? We'll get it. We'll get your iPad when we get done with Jason's. We're going night-night. Oh, you found your iPad. One of my own. Say bye, Mom. Say bye, Cash.
Bye.
Jason forgot to say goodbye. Can you say goodbye?
Bye.
Bye. See you tomorrow.